Hi friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. Mirror work fashions are very much trending on the fashion floor. In this video I've come up with this designing of freehand square mirror works. So let's get started. I'll be using this Cora fabric stuck with the interfacing towards the wrong side and mark the neck measurements. Here I'll be showing the blouse pattern. Following the same instructions, you can also create further chudidars. The neck width I'll be marking here is 3 inches and the neck deep 7 inches. I'm sorry that due to cold, my voice is not clear. I hope you'll understand. Kindly bear with me. Mark the complete neck measurements. When a mirror work blouse is paired with the plain saree, it will give stunning attire. This type of simple mirror work blouse can make any saree just look gorgeous. I'm done with the markings. The only thing is right selection of the dial. Here I'd be going with the zigzag stitch. Any sewing machine having the option of zigzag can do this. As I'm using zari and silk threads, keep the thread adjustment on 0 and the thread length on 0.5. Start sewing just adjacent to the marked line. Firstly, I'll be giving the zari stitch line with the zigzag, and in bobbin I winded cotton thread. Remember to sew at your low speed as the silk and zari threads are very sensitive. Couple of mirror work designer patterns will be followed soon. So stay and watch the easy way of making mirror work patterns. Try this mirror work blouse designs with chiffon, georgette. You'll be under the limelight. So having an option of zigzag on any sewing machine, you can do this. As the festive days are heading, I know that there is no time in your hands. But within no time you can create this designer blouse. And you could be the stylish icon. Done with the zari work stitch line, and also mark the mirrors, giving little gap between the two mirrors or else the stitch line will overlap. And I'd be using this plastic mirrors which is of square in shape. On machine works you have to use like this type of plastic mirrors. So I'm placing like this and you can see the gap in between. Maintain equal length of gap between the mirrors, and also I'd be using 3 different colors of silk threads. Using this type of multicolors will be suitable for any color of saree. If you wanna go for the saree matching, then use a single color. Mirrorworks is not new. It's been the part of fashion industry, wherein for the gorgeous look they add, whether it could be dress or the blouse. The versatility and the uniqueness has made mirrorwork blouse designs a trend in the fashion floor. So if you wanna look gorgeous, try for the option of the mirrorworks. This would be the one of the best option. Now also select the option C with the thread adjustment 0 and the thread length 0.5. Let me show you the process of stitching. Start from one corner of the mirror. The stitch should be half on the fabric and half on the mirror. Sew it till it reaches to another corner, and also it has to cross beyond that corner line. Then insert the needle in and turn to another side. Again start stitching. Half on the mirror, half on the fabric. Again this has to cross that another side corner and the stitch line should be beyond that corner. Insert the needle in, lift the footer up, turn to another side and give the stitch line. Again the stitch line has to cross beyond the mirror. Insert the needle in, turn to another side, Start sewing. This time the stitch line has to reach the starting point. By this way you will get the complete square. Once it reaches to the end point, move the dial pad to the back stitch and give the 2 stitch lines to lock it. And now trim off the extra threads. It is just simple, just you need practice. Again start from one corner, give the stitch line. The stitch line should be beyond the corner of the mirror. Now move to another side, do the same. Every corners it should cross beyond that corners except the first starting point. Then after reaching to the end point, come back to the straight stitch, give double back stitches for locking. Hardly it will take 10 to 15 minutes time for completing the blouse. You can try this mirror works for blouses, lehenga blouses, chudidars and for kurtis, crop tops. The simple things creates wonders. This type of simple mirror work blouses will add to your stunning appearance. Once finished with these stitch lines, in between you can also join the stone lines. This is so simple and easy to do. Do this for your loved ones that would love to wear it. Having any doubts relating to this video, do write to me in the comment section just below the description box. This type of mirror work blouses will give you tremendous stunning looks. So what for are you waiting? Have one. This is so simple. Just start from one corner. The other 3 corners should be sewn a little beyond that corners, so that you will get the perfect shape of the square. Continue the same process to complete this pattern. Multicolor is an option suitable for any color plain saree. This is one of the basic patterns in the mirror work. Stay tuned to watch many more. Done with the designing of the freehand mirror work. See how pretty the outcome has turned out. Now I am cutting the neck part, leaving the seaming allowance of 1/4 inch. It's really looking awesome. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. See how beautifully the sparkling mirrors with the multicolor silk thread will add to your stunning appearance. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to watch more videos of latest fashions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.